Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a charged device, stable Wi-Fi, and a working microphone. First, sign in using email or phone and enter the verification code. This links your device to the service. Once done, choose your primary goal, conversation practice versus exam prep, because the app customizes lessons accordingly. Make sure to enable mic, camera, and notifications so real-time feedback and live classes work. This fast start lets you dive into structured lessons without delay. Next, take the placement test. Answer 10 mixed items so the app sets your level and learning path precisely. Then pick lesson formats: live tutor classes for speaking, AI chat for daily drills, or self-paced modules for grammar and vocabulary, because mixing formats boosts retention. Once selected, schedule sessions and sync them with your calendar. Set a realistic weekly target such as 3 sessions per week. If you follow this plan, the app will adapt lessons and spacing for steady progress. To finish each cycle, practice consistently and review feedback. Replay recorded sessions, note recurring errors, and apply corrections in your next activity. If progress stalls, adjust difficulty or switch tutor types, and consider retaking the placement test to refresh your level. Make sure to export or save important notes before closing. If technical issues arise, try reconnecting Wi-Fi, restarting the app, or clearing cache. Contact support when problems persist. This final loop secures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.